Hey everyone, great to have you back. Ever had that moment where you drop the needle on a record, expecting warmth and nostalgia, but instead you get hisses, skips, and a muddy soundstage that just kills the vibe? It stops right now. Before we dive in, hit the first link below to check today's Amazon deal. The Fluance RT81 Elite units with the bundled cartridge tend to sell out fast when they're discounted. I've been spinning records on the RT81 Elite for a few weeks now. From the moment I lifted the tone arm, I felt something different. Albums I've heard 100 times suddenly opened up, layers of guitars I never noticed, vocals wrapped around me like an embrace. The finish is elegant yet understated, walnut veneer, solid plinth, the kind of build that just invites you to lean in. On performance, it impressed. Thanks to the Audio-Technica AT95E Cartridge out of the box, tracking is tight, detail is solid. Belt drive runs whisper quiet. Built-in preamp means I plugged into my amp with no extra hassle. I even tried a few hi-fi tests. You hear the subtle decay of the piano, the space in the room, not just sound. And adjusting the counterweight and anti-skate? Easier than most entry turntables. Quick reminder, tap the first link to see current pricing. Stock of the upgraded bundle version always seems to vanish when it drops. Spec highlight, 33 1/3 and 45 revolutions per minute playback, gives you the flexibility. Belt drive for lower noise floor. Built-in preamp so you don't need external gear to get started. Adjustable counterweight, anti-skate and removable dust cover, features you expected higher price. Build quality is impressive for the price. Dense plinth, acrylic platter, minimal flex. This isn't nice for a cheap turntable, it's nice, full stop. If you've been stream only so far, and you're ready to feel the vinyl experience, this is the one. If you dive deep into records, collect albums, want that textured analog warmth, and don't want to compromise on fidelity, this turntable hits that sweet spot. Pros: heavy checkmark, authentic analog sound that reveals new detail, heavy checkmark, easy setup and built-in preamp for drop-in use, heavy checkmark, high-quality cartridge included out of the box, heavy checkmark, premium build that looks the part in any setup. Cons: crossmark, not fully manual, high-end audiophile level crossmark, requires some space for optimal setup and vibration control. Final verdict: if you're ready to upgrade your